Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Toyota Sienna. We'll explore the key differences between older and newer models to help you decide which is best for your needs. We'll look at everything from performance and fuel economy to technology and overall value. Whether you prioritize modern features or a more budget-friendly option, understanding these distinctions is crucial. Let's dive into what makes each generation unique and why one might be a better fit for your family's adventures. The latest Toyota Sienna models stand out with their standard hybrid powertrain, delivering a combined 245 horsepower. This system provides excellent fuel efficiency, with front-wheel drive versions achieving an estimated 36 miles per gallon combined. Beyond efficiency, newer Siennas are packed with advanced technology, including larger infotainment screens, wireless smartphone integration, and comprehensive safety suites like Toyota Safety Sense, offering peace of mind for every journey. They also offer features like a built-in vacuum and refrigerator on higher trims. If you're considering an older Toyota Sienna, you'll often find models equipped with a robust V6 engine, some producing up to 296 horsepower. These earlier generations are known for their strong towing capacity, typically around 3,500 pounds, making them suitable for hauling small trailers. Furthermore, older Siennas often come with a more attractive price point and a reputation for long-term reliability, which can translate to lower ownership costs and a solid return on your investment. Deciding between an old and new Toyota Sienna depends on your priorities. Newer models excel in fuel efficiency with their hybrid system and offer the latest in safety and infotainment technology. Older Siennas, on the other hand, often provide more raw V6 power and can be a more budget-friendly option, delivering great value for families. Both generations uphold Toyota's reputation for reliability. Consider your daily driving needs, budget, and desired features to make the best choice. And for making meal prep easy, check out the leak-proof containers linked in the description, along with other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.